Hello, I am Sri Pradeep Kumar Dev, Senior Lecturer Electrical, Bose Cuttack. Today I will teach you on 4th semester Electrical Engineering. That is, your subject is Energy Conversion 1. I will teach you on chapter 5, that is your Instrument Transformer. So before going to the instrument transformer, first I will explain you what is transformer. You have to know a transformer is a static, means stationary device by means of which electrical power in one circuit is transformed into another circuit. You see, this is your core, this is your laminated core, fine, and this is your winding, this is known as the primary winding, and this is another winding, this is known as the secondary winding. So this is your rectangular core. So input supply is V1. So what will happen? Now current will flow. Current is flowing is I1. Due to this, a flux will produce here. Flux is phi. Fine. What will happen? Now, due to this input supply, a voltage will be induced in the primary winding. That is known as the induced voltage. That is your E1. As it is mutual induction, a voltage will be induced in the secondary winding. तुमने समझते जानिच regarding transformer. Already you have studied your single phase transformer, three phase transformer. Fine. So what will happen? Now if I will connect a load here, due to dot convention, current will flow here. This is your load. So V1 is your input supply and V2 is your output supply. कौन तो विषय जानी चाहो ना V1 by V2 is equal to E1 by E2. If N1 is the number of turns on the primary side and N2 is the number of turns on the secondary side, what will happen? This is N1, number of turns on the primary side, and this is your N2, number of turns you in the secondary side. V1 by V2 is equal to E1 by E2 is equal to N1 by N2 is equal to I2 by I1. So this is the principle of transformer. Actually what is happening? Now voltage is, power is transforming from primary side to secondary side. Now actually what transformer does? Actually कौन करे? Now it transfer power. So during transformation, it does not change the power. Power change हुए ना. Now what happens? It does so without change of frequency. Frequency change हुए ना. The physical basis of transformer is mutual induction between the two circuits. So this is your primary winding, this is your secondary winding. Both are combined by a common flux. That is known as the mutual induction. Fine. Transformer only step up or step down the voltage. Now, so now the question rises, actually what it does? Now voltage को बढ़ाई ना ले कमाई. Now actually what is happening here? Now this is your primary winding, this is your secondary winding. Number of turns in the primary winding is more. Number of turns in the secondary winding is less. So this is a step down transformer. So if N1 is more than N2, this is a step down transformer. If N1 is less than N2, it is a step up transformer. So voltage transformation takes place, up and down takes place on the basis of number of turns. So during this process, what is happen? Now again current is also changing. Secondary side रे voltage बढ़िले current कमी जीवो, voltage जदि कमी जीवो current बढ़ी जीवो. Now on the basis of voltage transformation, that is step up and step down, transformer is divided to two types. If N1 is the number of turns on the primary side and N2 is the number of turns on the secondary side, if N2 is greater than N1, if N2 is greater than N1, the transformer is known as the step up transformer. And if N2 is less than N1, the transformer is known as step down transformer. Here I have written N1 is more than N2, same thing. You see, this is a transformer, single phase transformer. I have taken from our Bose electrical laboratory, our college laboratory. You see, this is a transformer. This is your primary side and this is your secondary side. So what is happening? Now input voltage is 220 here and output voltage is 110. So what is the transformation ratio? What is the transformation ratio? So N1 by N2 is equal to 220 by 110 is equal to 2. So this is a step down transformer. This is single phase transformer. This is a three phase transformer. Both sides are star connected. Primary wise star connected and secondary side also star connected. What is the ratio here? Now N1 by N2. The primary voltage, this is your primary side, it is your 440 side, and secondary side is 220 side. So transformer is 2, transformation ratio is 2, or you can tell K is equal to 2. So this is your three phase transformer, this is your laboratory type. I have taken from college laboratory. Fine. You see, this is a transformer I have taken from our college campus. This is a distribution transformer. What is the input voltage? What is the input voltage? Now N1 by N2 is equal to V1 by V2. This is your line voltage. This is your line voltage. This is your line voltage. So line voltage is 11 kV. And secondary side voltage is 440. So transformation ratio is 25. Next you come. You see, I have taken one transformer from the Kotak grid. From Kotak grid substation I have taken one transformer. What is the transformation ratio? Now N1 by N2. This is your primary side, Kotak city. I have taken from the Chaudhar grid. What is the input voltage? Now 132 kV. What is the secondary voltage? This is your secondary side. You will mark it. This is secondary side. It is 33 kV. So what is the transfer ratio? Now 4. So what we have marked? Now transformer ratio in the laboratory, K is 2. In the distribution transformer in the campus, it is 25. It is in the Kotak grid, it is 4. Fine. Now today I will discuss about the instrument transformer. So what is this transformer? Name is current transformer and popular name is CT. Another is potential transformer and the name is PT. Popularly we are calling this is CT and PT. Fine. Now actually what is current transformer? Why this name is given? Why not transformer? Now this is a step-up transformer. Current transformer you call it step-up transformer. Now the question rises. You may ask me the question, sir, why you are giving the name the current transformer? Again, what is this? Now this is a potential transformer. You can call it is a step-down transformer. So this is a step-up transformer and this is a step-down transformer. Now the question rises. You have to tell me why these are given the name current transformer, potential transformer, CT, PT. Why? Same thing, same principle. Now what is the difference? Its power rating is very, very less. Current transformer power rating ta बहुत कम. You see, in your laboratory, its rating is 1 kVA. In your three-phase transformer, in laboratory, power rating is 3 kVA. In college campus, the transformer capacity is 100 kVA. Your Kotak grid station, the transformer capacity is 100 MVA. So this is the range of kilo and MVA. Now what is CT and PT? Its rating is very, very less. It is around 100 volt ampere, 200 volt ampere, 400 volt ampere. So its rating is very, very less. Now what is the basic difference? Now it is a step-up transformer having secondary side turns is very, very high and primary side turn is very, very less. You may ask me, sir, kete? Now if this is 1, এইটা যদি 1 হবো এটা 2000 হবো যদি এই নাম্বার অফ টার্নসটা 1 হয় এটা মেবি 2000 minimum 1000. You see, I have taken, this is your circuit diagram, transformer core, this is your primary winding, this is your secondary winding. Confused, don't be confused. I have seen only 5 to 6 terms, but actually in actual practice this is a CT I have taken from this laboratory. If this is 1, it may be 1000, it may be 2000 number of terms. So what is the ratio? Now in case of CT, number of turns N1 by N2 is equal to 1 by 2000. So this is a step-up transformer having transformer ratio K is very, very high. If N2 by N1 is, if you will take N2 by N1, then the transformation ratio is 2000 by 1. I have taken N1 by N2, so 1 by 2000. So this is your prototype, छोटिया laboratory में use करूँ. This is your primary side of the CT and this is the secondary side of the CT. You mark the difference. Ammeter is connected. Ammeter acts as short circuit. Very important thing. Secondary side should not be open circuited. Either it should be closed here or ammeter should be connected. तो भलो कि जानिच ammeter acts as short circuit. Fine. Then you come to the actual practice of a current transformer. Actually what is happening? In your Kotak city, during peak hour, the current coming is 2000 ampere. সন্ধ্যা সময়ে পিক আওয়ার সময়ে কারেন্ট বহুত বেশি আসে ইট মে বি 1000 এম্পিয়ার ডিউরিং ডে টাইম রাত্রে সন্ধ্যা সময়ে কারেন্ট আসছে 2000 এম্পিয়ার সো হাউ ক্যান ইউ মেজার দিস কারেন্ট দিস ইজ ভেরি হাই ভোল্টেজ ইজ 132 kV current is 2000 ampere very difficult to measure you cannot measure the current without the help of the current transformer use na kari current mapi paribani so you have to take the help of the current transformer you have seen তোমার দেখিছ ল্যাবরেটরি আছে আমার ammeter what is the range of the ammeter 0 to 5 ampere what is the range 0 to 1 ampere 0 to 2 ampere 0 to 20 ampere maximum কেতে আমার ল্যাবরেটরি আছে 0 to 25 ampere again it is not possible to construct a ammeter to measure such a high value of current so what we are doing now we are taking the help of a CT current transformer so what is happening now this is the basic structure of a current transformer dekho this is the current transformer this is input this is output yes this is input this is output this is one pole this is your another pole this is another pole এটা confuse hobani. PT are connected. This is CT. This is your primary side and this is your secondary side. A box ta kholle jana padibo. So some terminals is there. Some tapings are there. You can connect in 1000 turn. You can connect in 2000 turn. You can connect in 800 turns. You can change. So what is happening? Now this is the internal construction. It is the construction of a current transformer. This is your magnetic core inside it, and it is your porcelain. Outside is porcelain, just like your insulator, porcelain. Then inside it, primary winding is there, secondary winding is there. For example, you take this ratio is turn is 1 and this turn is 2000. Actually, I have taken the figure from your Kotak grid. This city turn ratio, this city turn ratio is 1:2000. So what will happen? These transformers are used with low range ammeter to measure currents in high voltage AC line where it is not practicable. So actually what is happening? You mark it. So what is this current? This is your input current, this is your outgoing current. Now what is this current? Now peak hour this current is 2000 ampere. So what we are doing? Now we are increasing this voltage. So what is happening? Now current is decreasing. This is the principle of the transformer. So we are calling this is a step up transformer. So when current is 2000 ampere, this current is 1 ampere. So you can very easily measure this current by the help of this ammeter. If in daytime this current is ammeter is showing 0.5 ampere. So actually what is the current? Now this current is 1000 ampere. Actually we have to take the reading from this ammeter. Then we have to use the conversion. What is the conversion? Now 1:2000. This is the work of the city. This is the work of the city. Because this range of this ammeter is 0 to 1 ampere. For example, current coming is 0.1 ampere. Ammeter is showing 0.1 ampere. Actually what is the current? Now 200 ampere. So this city is helping in measuring the current. Actually current measuring is by the ammeter. City is helping for measurement of current. Then you come to the potential transformer. Now what is the thing? The same thing. Jaha koili city paiki, same thing is PT. Now what is this difference? You may ask me, sir, what is the difference? Now it is a step down transformer. Now what is this voltage? I will discuss 132 kV. Kotak grid is 132 kV. One line is coming from your Talcher to Chandaka, Bhubaneswar. Line is 220 kV. One line is coming from Jaipur to Bhubaneswar. Line is 400 kV. Another we are going for construction 750 kV line. So voltage is increasing. So how can you measure the voltage? Kete size ro voltmeter am pakre achi. Laboratory tome कोन type रो voltmeter use करछो 0 to 10 volt 0 to 50 volt 0 to 100 volt 0 to 500 volt 0 to 1000 volt. So how can you measure the current? How can you measure the voltage? So you have to take this for measurement of very high voltage. You have to take the help of the potential transformer. You have to take the help of the potential transformer. Now what is happening? If I will tell you what is the this is your potential transformer. This is your primary side and this is your secondary side. Secondary side is always earthed. Fine. This voltmeter is connected here. If this turn in 2000, this may be 1. But actually I have taken this potential meter. I have taken this your potential transformer from the Kotak grid. Now what is the ratio? Now N1 is there is 1000. Secondary side is 1. So what is the voltage? Now actual voltage is 132 kV. 132,000 volt. So what will come? Now it has 132 volt. So you can measure by the help of the voltmeter. Then you take the help of the conversion table. If this voltage is coming 150 volt, what is this voltage? Now 150 kV. So you have to factor. You have to multiply by 1000. Then I will tell you what are the uses of CT and PT. It is used with ammeter to measure high value of current. Then what is the use of PT? Now it is used with the voltmeter to measure the high value of voltage. So I was discussing you regarding measurement of current. It is helping in measurement of current, but it has a major work in relaying circuit. Circuit breaker relay, you may heard the name. तो मैंने एक्चुअली थर्ड ईयर पढ़ स्विच गियर एंड प्रोटेक्टिव डिवाइस पढ़ तुम सीटीपीटी ओनली डज नॉट हेल्प इन मेजरमेंट ऑफ वोल्टेज और मेजरमेंट ऑफ करंट एक्चुअली इट हेल्प्स इन दी रिलेइंग सर्किट रिले रे यूज करा जाए रिले जनरली यूज करा जाए 110 वोल्ट रे 110 वोल्ट रे 150 वोल्ट रे 200 वोल्ट रे सो वी आर टेकिंग दिस वोल्टेज हाउ कैन यू मेजर दिस हाई वोल्टेज फॉर एग्जांपल देयर इज ए फॉल्ट फॉर एग्जांपल a line में किसी प्रॉब्लम है गला हाउ कैन यू नो प्रॉब्लम इज देयर सो यू हैव टू टेक हेल्प ऑफ पीटी सो पीटी विल गिव सिग्नल टू द रिले एंड फाइनली रिले विल गिव सिग्नल टू द ब्रेकर फॉर डिस्कनेक्शन ऑफ द सर्किट सो सीटी एंड पीटी they are used for measurement of current and for the relaying purpose. So I was telling you so CT is helping measurement of current and PT is helping measurement of voltage and readings. Another major work is there. How can you measure the power? For example, Kotak City, we are drawing 100 megawatt power. Bose campus, around we are drawing 40 megawatt of power. गोटे गोटे ट्रांसफार्मर कटक सिटी 100 मेगावाट पावर ड्र कर हाउ कैन यू मेजर एत बड़ वाटमीटर साइज नहीं इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल सो वी हैव टू टेक द हेल्प ऑफ द वाटमीटर सो वाटमीटर हैज टू कॉइल्स तुम जानिछ टू कॉइल वन इज करंट कॉइल एंड प्रेशर कॉइल सो टू कॉइल सो करंट कॉइल विल कनेक्टेड टू द CT and pressure coil will be connected to the PT. So by the help of this CT and PT we can measure the power. Some questions are for you. So you have to tell me why power is transmitted at a very high voltage 132 kV 220 kV why so much high power you are measuring you are transmitting power at very high voltage why you have to tell me next question what precaution must be taken before removing the ammeter from a current transformer कौन problem habo you cannot disconnect a ammeter then how can you measure power factor of a high voltage line by using of CT and PT I have explained you how power can be measured by the help of wattmeter. Similarly, you have to draw, you have to tell, you have to draw the circuit for the power factor meter. Fine. Then you tell me, make a comparison between CT and step-up transformer. The comparison you have to tell me. Then make a comparison between PT and step-down transformer. Same thing. So, if you have any problems, please contact me over my mobile number 94371 70235. Thank you all.
झीटीए तो माटी आम सामाजिक और पारिवारिक जीवनर मूल कथाटी से माने आगकू गले आगकू जीव संसार आम झील मैंने आ पुओंकठू पछरे नाहांती एबे तो बदली गलानी समय बदली गलानी जुग से झील माननकू आहुरी आगकू नहीं आत्मनिर्भरशील और स्वावलंबी करने ओडिशा सरकार सुदक्षा योजना रे सरकारी ITI माध्यम संपूर्ण मागणारे जोगई देउछंती सबु प्रकार उत्कृष्ट मानर वैषयिक ज्ञान कौशलर तालीम एबे आम झील रहिबे सबुठु आगरे सबुठु उपरे
मु सफल मु कुशली मु सुदक्षा